Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to create your YouTube outro video using Canva. Now the outro video is also called the end screen, but I'm going to show you how to customize that so that it fits your brand, fits your channel, and what you're trying to deliver. It's also a great place for you to put your call of action, like watch this next video or these other videos. And you can also put your social media handles. So I'm going to show you how to do it using a template, use a Canva template, and also to create the outro if you want to just be creative and do it on your own. All right, so let's get into my computer and we'll go over that right now. So guys, the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account. If you don't have a Canva account, you can just create one. It's free to do so. Okay, once you log in, this is the dashboard you're going to see. And on this line here are all the documents or sizes of the designs that you can make. Okay, in this instance, we want the YouTube outro. Okay, we're going to type it in here, but I just want to show you if you don't see the documents or the sizes that you're looking for on this line, you can just click on more and it will bring up a whole bunch of them, all the options. You can type in what you're looking for here. You can also type in what you're looking for, the documents or dimensions that you're looking for in this search bar, or you can click on Create a Design and you can type in what you're looking for. So we're looking for YouTube outro. Okay, and you click on it, the YouTube outro. And this will give you the perfect dimensions for your YouTube channel, right? For the YouTube outro. Okay. All right. So now I'm going to show you how to do this using a template first and for free. Okay. As you can see, once you click on YouTube outro, a lot of templates come up. Okay. You need to find a template that does not have a crown on it. If it has a crown on it, that means it's for a paid account. And, we want to do this for free. Okay. If you have a paid account, that's fine. But if you don't, you can also make a beautiful outro video for free. So let's look and see what we can find here. Oh, here's one. So you click on the one that you want, the template that you want. And as you can see, it already says, thanks for watching. And it gives two video options. And then there's this circle here in the middle, which usually that's where you would put your video or a picture of yourself, a video of yourself or a picture of yourself. Okay. So just so you know, you can customize this and change any elements that you want just by clicking on it. Okay, guys, so you can change the text color. You can change any of these elements that you want. If you want to change the text color, for example, you just click on it. I find if you click on it 3 times, it highlights everything in the text box. You click on this letter A here with the colors beneath it, and a whole bunch of colors will come up on the left. You can choose whatever color you want to change the text to, as you can see. Or we can just change that one letter just so you can see. Red. Okay, so that's how you change the colors. You can also move these boxes or these elements wherever you want. The text, you can move this wherever you want. Okay, so it's all customizable. You can also animate the page. So you click on the page, okay, and you can click on animate. And animate just means movement. Wherever you hear animate, it just means movement. at least as far as Canva is concerned. And you'll see once you put your mouse on any of these animations over here to the left, you can see the effect that it has on your workspace or on your video. All right. And there are a whole bunch of them, you guys. So this is if you want to animate the entire page. Okay, you click on the page itself, and then you choose an animation, right? So we could choose this one, but you can also animate individual elements. For example, if you wanted to animate this one and have it with a different animation, say baseline, you can do that. If you wanted to change the animation for this one, you can go crazy and do however you want to do it. It's yours. You're customizing it for your channel. Okay. And there you have it. And that is how you can customize your outro video. Now, you can also add space, or you can also add your social media handles on here. All you have to do is go to Elements, click on Elements over here on the left, and say, look for Instagram. Okay, and there you have them. Just remember, if you see a crown, you can't use that one because it is for a paid account. So you need one that's free. So let's see. So we could use this one. Okay, and you can resize it by dragging the circles, any of the circles. Okay, so let's say that's Instagram, and let's say Facebook. A Facebook icon. You click this one, resize it, stick it wherever, probably make it smaller, a lot smaller than this, but just so you guys see. And let's do TikTok. And we're looking for a free one. Okay, we could use this T for TikTok. There we go. Just use that for now. Okay. You'd make it smaller, of course, and you could just put your handles here, okay, next to it, or even make it a clickable link. You could do that as well, okay? But it's just here so that you guys can see, okay? If you wanted to put other information on there, or pictures or other videos, you could also upload your own videos and images by clicking on upload files, right? And you can upload from Instagram, Dropbox, Google Photos, or Google Drive. And then you would just upload your pictures or your videos or your own audio. Okay, you can also do that as well. So this is how you would create an end screen using a template. So now if you wanted to create your end screen or your outro video from scratch, this is how you would do that. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. Let's go back to home. Let's type in YouTube outro. It's here already, but you would type in YouTube outro in the search bar. Okay, and it says here, create a blank video. You would click on create a blank video. And just by default, these videos are 5 seconds long. Okay, just by default, when you're creating a blank video, it's 5 seconds long. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to Elements, because you're going to need some shapes, right? So let's go to, we could type in shapes. Okay, and we could use, here I'll click on see all. We need shapes for the videos, for YouTube to put your videos in. Okay, so you just click on the shape that you want and you size it. Okay, and you can move it. If you want your end screen to have 2 video options, you can click on these 3 dots. You can click on duplicate and you'll get the same size as the original box, the original rectangle, or the original element. Okay, it'll be the same size. If you don't do it like that to duplicate and you click over here, you would have to resize it. Okay, so it's just a shortcut. Okay. Delete that one. We don't want that. So say these are the 2 videos that we would use for our YouTube videos. Let's say you want to put your picture on your end screen. To put your picture on your end screen, you want to use a frame. Click on elements, you search for frames. Click on see all, and then you can choose the size of the frame, or, that you want, the shape of the frame that you want. So we could go with this circle and we could stick it here if we want. And then let's say you want text, right? Click on the text. It's a little slow, but okay. So let's say you want text. You'll click on the T over here on the left for text, and then you'll type in your text. It's usually, or you could just type in, "Thank you for watching." You can move this wherever you want. We should move these down a little bit. Okay. There you go. Now in this box, in this frame box, if you want to add a picture of yourself, you would then go to uploads, because that's where your images live. And then you could just choose a picture. Or if you don't already have a picture here, you go to uploads like I showed you before, and you can upload it from your computer. Okay, so let's choose one. I'm going to choose this picture. And I'll show you why the frame is important. And you could stick it right in the frame, right? Now, it looks a little bare back here, right? So maybe you want a background. You come over here to the left and menu, and you scroll down to backgrounds. Click on background, and then you choose a background that you want, something that reflects your channel. So let's say we're only doing free. So let's see. We could go to patterns. Let's see what we can find in patterns. And what about this one? This may be cute. Let's see. Oh, there you have it. I actually like that. I like that. And if you want to add music to your outro video, this is how you would do that. You would click on elements over here on the left. You would click on audio and see all. You would click on see all on the audio. And here you have a bunch of selections, you guys. And you can see it here on the top menu in the audio section. Free music, happy Christmas. Just keep in mind that if you're going to use popular music, you cannot upload that on YouTube because you'll get a copyright strike, right? You can use popular music if it's available on Canva for your own personal use, but not, not for YouTube. You can't do that. So let's find some happy music. Let's type in happy music. Happy music. It's right here. Click on happy music. And let's try to find one that does not have a crown on it. Here's one. No crown. So once you click on it, you click on the one you want. And as you can see, the audio is now underneath the video. Okay. So let's see if we're going to be able to hear it. That's it. And again, we can always go in and put in our social media handles like I showed you before. So just click on elements. And if you've just used it, you'll see it on the recently used. So we can always do TikTok. Okay, make that really tiny. Now that you guys get the point, you can make that really tiny. We can do, this will be Facebook. And do you guys see the lines moving? When I move the element, do you see the lines appear? And it helps you to position your elements, in line so that it's not all over the place, And you can see that with the numbers as well. Okay. All right. And that's it. That's you creating your end screen, your outro from scratch. So it's always a good idea to name your file just so that you can keep it organized in your downloads, right? It makes it easier to find. Outro, YouTube. Okay. And once you're done with your video, you can click share. Click download. Click download again. And that is how you create your YouTube outro video. Okay, and now you can now upload this video on YouTube as your outro video. That's it, you guys. I actually like this design. I may just end up using it. So that's it, guys. That's how you create a YouTube outro or end screen in Canva, either by using a template or doing it on your own, getting creative and doing it on your own. I hope you learned something today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.